Hi friends! Can you guess this place where I'm standing today? Yes, it's a standalone villa in Dubai Hill State. Yes, you guessed it right, it's Golf Place. So today I'll take you on a small tour of Golf Place Villa. This is the exterior and I'll show you the front side as well as the back side. So it comes in three different variants: 4 bed, 5 bed as well as 6 bed. In the size range of 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 till 14,000 square feet. And by the way, it's very near to Dubai Hills Golf Club, which has got beautiful clubhouse as well. So this is 18-hole championship golf course, almost equivalent to 63 football fields. And by the way, if I'm talking about Dubai Hill State, it's very near with Al Khail Road. There are some of the major attractions such as Dubai Hills Mall, King's College Hospital, GEMS International School and many more. So this is the model. You can see Golf Place marked over there, and you can see the golf as well as the entire Dubai Hill State on this model near Emerald Hills plot. And it's vast community, but I'll show you about Golf Place today. So this is phase 1, which is extended till here. And from this signboard of Golf Place on the left hand side, it's all phase 2. So you can see the units which are golf facing as well. Those are mostly 6 beds, and there are some 6 beds with non-golf facing as well. So there are some 5 bedrooms which are quite huge in size as well. So these are the 5 beds, and there are 4 beds. So these are the 4 beds. So let me show you the amenities first. So these are the amenities. You can see huge number of amenities within golf place. And these are the amenities like parks in between, you can see, which are already included in Golf Place community. And you can observe each and every villa is basically a standalone villa, be it 4 bed, be it 5 bed, be it 6 bed. So on my one side you have Sukaim Road, then Marabia Street, and then Latifa bin Hamdan Street. You can see many units are there which are completely golf facing. If I talk about the architecture, it's basically floor to ceiling windows, panoramic windows, basically different facades. Of course, amenities are already there. It will be lush green, basically, so natural. Even today this golf course is up and running. If you, by any chance, if you are a golfer, you would love this community. Again, I'm repeating, it comes with 4 bed, 5 bed as well as 6 beds. Now I'll show you the floor plans of different types of units in Golf Place 2. So this is 6 bed B2 type, non-golf facing. This is B2 elegant type, and this is B2 modern type, which is almost in the size range of 8,800 square feet. This is B3 6 bed, again completely golf facing. Then you have elegant, again golf facing B3 type, and this is modern B3 type, which is almost in the size range of 9,500 till 10,000 square feet. And then we have 4 bed contemporary, elegant and modern D1 type, which is almost in the size range of 5,100 to 5,500 square feet. And then we have 5 bedrooms D2 type, which is in the size range of 5750 square feet. After that we have 5 beds D3 type, which is almost in the size range of 7000 to 7100 square feet. So you can see all the villas placed on the left hand side in the plan. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. If you have any questions regarding the location, regarding the development, regarding the availability of the property, you can feel free to reach out to me directly on the given number. Thanks for watching this video.